Today for writing, you're going to do your language practice. So you're going to go to Clever and MobyMax, and then I'd like for you to choose language. If this menu isn't up, you get there by clicking on the books. You click on language. Last week, the directions were that you did one lesson and then you did 2 lessons. So that's 3 lessons altogether. So I've been doing lessons as well. My lessons are different than your lessons. You took a placement test and the computer figured out what it is that you need to practice. So what you're practicing is going to be different from what I'm practicing. Or like if you talk to a friend or a classmate and they say, well, I'm working on sentences, I'm working on dictionaries, that's okay. So you can see I've completed 3 lessons, 1, 2, and 3. If you've not completed 3, then you've got a little bit more work to do. The directions today are to finish 2. So by the end of today, there's going to be 5 altogether. So by the end of today, you should have 5 lessons completed. I'm excited to share something that I've learned. So I'm going to click on my first lesson that I'm doing for today, and there's the video. And so it's important that you watch the video by playing, you click play. Okay, I'm not going to make you watch this video because it probably doesn't go along with the lesson. But here's what I figured out. So after you have watched the video and you click this arrow, and then I know it's going to talk.
A person, place, or thing. Car.
So a student emailed me last week and said, I accidentally clicked and I can't get to the video and I don't know what I'm supposed to do. And I figured out what you do. So if you've accidentally or on purpose skipped the video and you need to go back, or let's say you start working and you want to watch the video again, it's right up here. So do you see this? This is a camera, and if you click, this shows you the video again for the lesson. So if you're working and you want to go back to the video, it's right there. Also, over here I discovered at this one, table of contents. So if you needed to go back, I think this is how it would let you go back as well. It's another spot for you to get back. So please watch the video. Please take your time. And your goal for your score is to be 85% or higher.